donc à partir de tendance yooyu ci la ñaari jaraaf ñett ba ñeenti jaraaf sax day am dans un village ñeenti président de la République.
It's about those several parties. This is why they used to have like two presidents or sometimes 4 presidents in one village.
te Lebu mënul fal folli.
And Lebu cannot elect and elect the president and then said now it's over, you are not president anymore.
ndax soo falee nit jaraaf danañ ko ooyee jaraaf.
Because if they elect someone president, they're gonna call him president.
soo falee nit ndey jiréew dañ ko ooyee ndey jiréew.
If you elect someone to be a ndey jiréew moom mooy ministre.
Ministre de l'Intérieur.
Is the interior minister. They always gonna call him minister of interior.
soo falee saltige aussi danañ ko ooyee saltige.
Saltige mooy lan.
mooy ministre de la défense.
If you elect someone to be a defender minister, they always gonna call him defender minister.
soo foolee saltige aussi danañ ko ooyee saltige.
If his responsibility to be a saltige is finished, they always gonna call him a minister.
soo foolee ndey jiréew danañ ko ooyee ndey jiréew.
If his responsibility to be a ndey jiréew, the interior minister, they always gonna call him ndey jiréew.
soo foolee jaraaf président yi danañ ko ooyee jaraaf.
If the president responsibility is over, they always gonna call him president.
parce que ñoo mu bokkal tendance wala ñoo mu bokkal du ñu nangu mu folleeku.
Because the person with the group where he's originally from, they never gonna want him to be to his responsibility to be over.
waaye communauté bi aussi am nañu fulla ju toll ni bu ñu la follee fal keneen am na nu ñuy def ak moom.
And then the community they have they can, for example, if they used to elect you to be president and then they said your responsibility is over, they always have a system, and they elect another one to be a president, they always have a system to deal with.
su boo ñetti président am fi.
Even if it's like if they have 3 presidents.
mais am na président boo xam ne bi moom la communauté bi fal.
But it's always going to be a president, the one the community they elect.
kooku moom la communauté bi waxal.
It's that president that the community they're going to deal with.
moom la ñuy defal lépp lu ñuy def.
Everything that they wanna do is that president that with who they're going to talk.
donc président bi fi des xam na ne président la dañu koy ooyee mu di ko uyoo waaye wóor na que ne amul benn responsabilité.
And the other president who used to be president and are not president anymore, and they still call them president. He know that they call him president, but the responsibility that they give president, people they don't give him anymore that responsibility.
donc Lebu mënul folli.
So Lebu cannot elect someone in one responsible like president or to be minister, and then said it's over.
waaye am na fu la ji toll ni fal keneen di wax ak moom bàyyi la fi yow ngay uyoo sax jaraaf yaa koy yëg.
But they can elect another president and then deal with him and give him the whole responsibility, and just leave you you still have your president name.
donc ci biir loolu tax na ñu jël la nga xam ne mooy constitution jaraaf bi mu waroon yor parce que bu doon benn jaraaf mën nañ koy dénk constitution waaye ñetti jaraaf ñeent day am ci la communauté Lebu yu bari jël seen constitution dénk ko nag li nga xam ne moo di xale yi fare yi.
So this is why they take the constitution of the Lebu's community and give it to the president, because it was like many party, many attendants. Sometimes they have 3 or 4 presidents in one Lebu's village, and they see if there is many presidents in one village, so you cannot give the constitution in one of those presidents. So because it's going to be complicated, so this is why they take the constitution of the Lebu's villages to give it to the National Assembly.
lu tax ñu jël lu toll ni constitution di ko dénk xale.
So why they take very big responsibility like constitution to give it to the young people?
ci milieu Lebu.
In Lebu's community.
dina jaaxal nañu bare.
It's something that will impress many people.
kon dafa mel ni ñun Lebu yi li ñuy wuyoo muy république dafa naa dañ ko desee xam.
He said it's because maybe the Lebus what they call republic is not something that they don't know what's the responsibility of the sense of republic.
bu ñu toppoon li ñu mag ñi waxoon muy rakk a topp mag.
If they follow what the ancestors they said, like young brothers follow the old brother,
doom topp baay.
and son follow his father,
jarbaat topp ndijaay.
and nephew follow his uncle.
suñu ko defoon kon réeroo doom.
If they were still doing that, they're never gonna have confusion.
comme que loolu nag amul.
It's because they don't respect that.
muy loo xam ne suñu maam yi bàyyi nañu ko woon ñun ñu réelal ko.
It's something that the ancestors they give them, and they just don't respect it.
bay fal ñetti président.
And
ci benn dëkk.
in this generation, so they start electing 3 to 4 presidents in one village, in one republic.
jàmbur yi muy Sénat bi.
And the Senate
ak magu Yoff yi.
and the adult of Yoff,
ñooñu am fulla ju toll nii.
they take a big decision
jël constitution bi dénk ko xale yi.
and take the constitution and give it to the National Assembly.
ndax xale yi jàmbur yi ñoo leen fal.
Because the National Assembly was elected by the Senate,
mag Yoff fa leen fal.
and they was also elected by the adult of Yoff.
xale yi ñoo leen fal.
They was elected by the young people by the whole community of Yoff,
jigéen ñi ñoo leen fal.
men and women.
muy loo xam ne li kon communauté bi yëpp a ko fal mu di fara yooyu di mbootaayu xale yi. di assemblée.
So the National Assembly, they was elected by the whole community of Yoff.
muy li ñu fal en unanimité. muy lu ñu fal ñëpp d'accord ci.
It's something that the whole community they have agreement.
kon muy pal gu amul benn coow.
So it's election doesn't have any complication.
bokkul ak palu ñetti jaraaf.
It's not the same with the election of 3 presidents in one republic.
ñetti jaraaf kii day fal fi.
And 3 presidents, each one can be elected by his own.
nga gis keneen ko bokkalul tendance fal keneen.
And you can see that another party, another lineage, another maternal lineage elect another president.
kon insécurité bi am ci jaraaf amul ci fare yi.
So the not security who exists in the Jaraaf is mean the president doesn't exist in the National Assembly.
loolu moo tax ñu jël constitution bi dénk ak xale yi.
So this is why they take the constitution and give it to the National Assembly.
ñuy mbootaay gu suudewu.
It's a very strong organization.
gu ñu tànn ñëpp d'accord ci.
That they elect and by the agreement of the whole republic.
doo dem ci dëkku Lebu mu nga gis fa ñaari tendance su fare.
And in the Lebu's Republic, you're never gonna see 2 national assemblies.
ñetti jaraaf bu amee benn tendance fare rek mooy am.
Even if it exists 3 presidents, it's only gonna be one national assembly.
ñetti ndey ji réew muy ministre de l'Intérieur bu amee benn assemblée fare rek mooy am.
If they have 3 Nigeria, it means the interior minister is only gonna be one national assembly.
ñetti saltige ministre de la défense bu amee benn tendance su fare rek mooy am.
If they have 3 saltige like the defender minister is only going to be one national assembly.
kon mooy instance bi nga xam ne moo gën a wér.
So it's the very it's the only organization that the labels they have with they get with no complication.
waxuma ne nag moo gën a fort parce que président de la république kenn du ko gën a fort muy jaraaf.
But it doesn't mean that the National Assembly is more powerful than the saltige. It means the president, because nobody can be more responsible and more powerful than the president.
kon sécurité ñi nga xam ne ñoo di waa dëkk bi mbaa waa réew mi seen sécurité yëpp mu ngi ci xale yi.
So the security of the whole republic is the responsibility of the National Assembly.